Hi, my name is Shaylin Wallace, become Shay the Surrealist, and I'm a digital artist based in Wilmington, Delaware. I've been creating photo manipulations since 2014. I just love creating anything extraordinary, different, that's like something you've never seen before in the world. Last year's when I kind of really started getting into spreading awareness with my artwork in a way that I could understand it and that other people could understand it as well. Adobe reached out and they're partnering with the Ocean Agency, and they wanted me to be part of their campaign to have artists, creatives all around the world create something that can show how to help protect the ocean and how we can spread the message about ocean awareness. I consider my sketches to be stock photos that I download from Adobe Stock while looking for images. That's kind of how my ideas come to me. For this project, I found an earth and then I found a cave. I made it look as if it was actually like a cave coming out the earth, so it kind of gave it like a 3D dimensional composition. I want people to take from the artwork I created, the earth and the ocean are one. Whatever we do is going to create an impact, whether it's good or bad. So we need to be mindful of how we treat the ocean and the earth itself.